In this video, I'm going to show you how to get extensions on Zen Browser. Now, the first thing you have to do is click at the very top left where you can see those three dots. And in here, it's going to say extension and themes. Of course, you could go ahead and launch this by pressing Ctrl Shift and A on your keyboard as well. So when you open this, it's going to say manage your extensions. And to get extensions, make sure you're not on plugins, but on extensions instead. And then up here, you can go ahead and find your add-ons, okay? So you can just go ahead, type in the name of the extension you would like to add. So I'm just going to add vidIQ for this tutorial here, and I'm going to click on the search. It's going to pop up inside the Firefox browser add-ons, and here you'll be able to see your extension, okay? So just find the one you want to add, click on it, and then you want to click on add to Firefox, and then it's going to basically prompt you over here on the left. If you want to give it access, click on add if you agree, and then click on OK over here, and then OK again. And as you can see right now, if I go to add-ons, I now have my extension over here inside add-ons, inside extensions, and I can go ahead and disable it or enable it, of course, whatever I want to do. So that's how to get them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.